Well, hello, and welcome to SEO Shorts, a private podcast by the very same co-hosts of the Simple and Smart SEO Show, Brittany and Crystal.
Here, you can experience way more actionable episodes. Think of them as mini SEO masterminds. Each week, we'll be walking you through a different task that supports your SEO strategy.
You'll learn exactly how to take simple and smart action with step-by-step walkthroughs and quick explanations of how your effort will impact your business's searchability.
And now, it's time for this week's SEO Short. Okay, guys, welcome back. I am so excited to talk today about one of my favorite topics, which is blogging and content and optimizing a blog when you already have a blog. So be you ready to jump into this?
I'm here. I'm ready for the blogging.
Okay, so we're just going to give like a quick overview of, let's say, like the four main things that you kind of want to check off on your list in your blog. And the first one is having a keyword phrase. That needs to go in what we call your H1. That's the header or the main title of your blog. So that's the first thing you want to make sure that you do is, research that keyword phrase, whatever keyword it is that you want to rank for, and make sure that it's in your title, AKA your H1.
Yes. And I just want to make a quick point. Like, this can be a strategy for new blogs that you're drafting and putting out into the internet, or this could be a super simple way to go back to an existing blog and update it and make sure that it's actually doing a job for you that it should be doing. So take these tips and you can either use it moving forward, which you should be doing, or you can just start by going back to blogs that are already out there and updating and optimizing. So after we have the keyword or phrase to focus the page on, which it's in the H1, then we want to look at what kind of links we can have. And there's two types of links. Remember, you can have one, which is internal linking. And that means you're linking from the blog post to like your services page or your about page or your contact page. It's links that are happening inside your website. And then the other type is external linking. So that would be where, let's say I'm writing a blog about SEO copywriting. I don't know. That's so vague, but roll with it. So maybe I have a statistic or a fact or like a point that I want to reference that I found in another outside source. I could write that statistic and then hyperlink it out to that blog post or that, trusted source that I have. So that would be external linking.
Awesome. Yeah. And so as you move down the page, you're also going to need to add images. Ideally, as you scroll down the page, especially like on your phone, you would never go a screen size without some sort of graphic or, just an image interruption or whatever. So you'll need images and you'll need to title those images and add alt text. So this is a great place where you can also add your main keyword or, other keyword related phrases like within those image titles and alt text. You'll also want to make sure that when you upload that image, that you're not uploading image 123.jpg. If we're talking about SEO copywriting, you want it to say SEO-copywriting.jpg. So you want it to be very specific to your keyword. With one caveat, make sure that you don't overdo it with that, main key phrase. You only want it 2 to 3 times throughout your entire blog. So just keep that in mind. Use keyword variations or other supporting keywords throughout your blog, but the images, image titles, and alt text are a great place to also put keywords.
Yes, and just a quick note on the alt text. So I like to bring up my friend Robbie, who listens to the podcast, and she is a blind website developer. I always like to keep Robbie in mind when I'm writing the alt text, because not only is that descriptiveness of the image going to help her to actually like envision what's happening on this page and what sighted people are seeing, it's also going to help your SEO. So it's like a win-win-win for everybody. So you can be super descriptive with that. You could also reel it in and just be a little bit, there's a woman and she's looking at a laptop and she's typing some copy, right? So you can just remember
she's typing some SEO copy.
Bingo. That is how you do it.
Yeah.
So then the last thing that we want to keep in mind is that every page on your website, but especially blogs, should have a call to action. And you can put the call to action, you can hyperlink text, you can make an image clickable, But you can also have button copy, and your buttons are another great place to add that keyword or phrase. And another quick note with your buttons, you want to write them from the perspective of the website visitor. So you would write something not like, you want to schedule a call with me. It's, I'm ready to book a call right now. That's what the button would say. Of course, you would optimize it with
Mhm.
keywords. See, I'm not so great on the fly.
I want to optimize my SEO copy. Yeah,
Yes,
something like
there
that.
we go. This is why Crystal's around.
And it's one of those things. I told you this the other day. One of the best tips I can give you listening right now is that instead of using it or him, her,
Yes.
or any sort of descriptive words like pronouns, anything like that, lose the pronouns, name the thing, whatever it is, say the word that it is instead of it. And you'll just naturally infuse more SEO in your writing. So we do have one activity for you here that you can join the conversation. Drop your most recent blog into the Galas link,
Mhm.
and we'll take a look at it and talk about it, give you feedback if you want, or just go check it out, maybe leave a comment. But this is a chance for all of us to just kind of engage with each other and get some ideas, see how people are infusing SEO into their blogs. And we'd love to see what you're creating.
Yes, we would. Another just, benefit to doing that is that you're going to get some traffic most likely if you drop your blog link
Mhm.
in there, because of course we're all curious and we're like, what are you up to? What are you up to? And it's not a judgy thing, it's much more of a supportive thing. So if you want some traffic
Exactly.
to a blog post, drop it in there and we'll go check it out.
Awesome. So that is our short and sweet episode about optimizing a blog that you've already written. We hope that you can use some of those tactics and, just up level your blog writing.
Yeah, we'll catch you next time.
Bye.
Bye. You're well on your way to being the answer to even more Googled questions. Thanks so much for joining us this week.
Have you noticed some SEO wins since listening to SEO Shorts? We want to know. Email us at hello@simpleandsmartseo.com or share it in the episode conversation thread. Hey guys, this is Crystal, one of your co hosts from the Simple and Smart SEO Show podcast. If you're looking for a unique, handcrafted way to spruce up your home or office, then collagenwood.com is the perfect place for you. We are a small, woman owned business that offers a range of beautiful wooden signs for your home or office. Our talented team of artists will work with you to create a sign that perfectly suits your needs. So why wait? Use promo code SIMPLE10 to save 10%. Visit collagenwood.com today. Save 10% with promo code SIMPLE10. That's collagenwood.com.